Time to make lunch for, how many kids do I have here today? 8 daycare kids. We're definitely doing like a breakfasty sort of lunch, and my sister actually gave me this idea literally this morning. She texted me a picture of what she made her kids for breakfast, and I was like, I'm doing that for lunch. So thanks, Caitlin. I'm doing waffles, so I'm adding a splash of oil. This is kind of what it says to do on there. And I'm going to add an egg. I'm adding a little bit of this food coloring. I'm just going in here with my little whisk.
Wait, this is the beef.
No. This probably isn't going to be enough. I always make too much. Today it's not going to be enough. It's getting green. All right, my waffle maker's preheated. Oh, I forgot to add a little bit of vanilla to this. I'm going to do that quick. Okay. Okay, I'll help you. This might be a little thick. I just want to make sure I get enough in there because I'm making these into Christmas trees. Oh, I didn't put quite enough in here. It'll be fine. Kiddos are playing dollhouse. I'm doing extra this time. Okay, these are going to go in my oven on warm, but first I'm going to put them apart. In the oven on warm. Alright, I already had cut these strawberries in half. I'm just going to give them each some of those. Alright, last of the waffles. Alright, back in the oven for a minute. Alright, this is the filling we use to make deviled strawberries, and I'm going to make these strawberries into Santa hats. Okay, let's see how this goes. We're having salad for a vegetable. I have to serve a vegetable, and I usually do potatoes when we do breakfast, but I just don't have anything prepped, so don't judge the fact that we're having salad with waffles. It's fine. Nobody would eat whatever vegetable I serve anyway. Oh my gosh, I forgot to start an important part of this. Alright, I'm throwing some sausages in the air fryer. Do I need that many? Alright, I made 2 for everybody plus a couple extra. A little bit of cheese on the salad. Cheese? Syrup for dipping. Alright, now for the fun part, making little Christmas trees. Alright. I'm certain a lot of these kids are going to have a second sausage. Oh, I missed that one. I'm using this to put like a little star at the top of the tree. And a few little sprinkles for ornaments. Alright, here is how their lunches turned out today. And here's what they ate. Loved it. Minus some salads.